Hi, I'm going to explain the basic condition for MOSFETs. In MOSFET, there are two modes. One is the depletion mode and another one is the enhancement mode. In depletion mode, if we give 0 gate voltage also, the MOSFET is in on, and if we give any drain voltage, then the current start to conduct. In enhancement mode, we need to create the channel. For that, we need to apply VGS greater than VTH value, and then if we apply VD value, then the current start to conduct. In depletion mode, channel is already created. In enhance mode, after application of the gate voltage, the channel will get created or the channel inversion will take place. Then if we apply any drain voltage, then current start to flow from source to drain. In enhancement mode, there are two types. One is NMOS, another one is PMOS. In depletion type also, we have two types. One is NMOS and another one is PMOS. Today I am going to explain the enhancement mode MOSFETs conditions. For the easy understanding, always I am going to consider NMOS for the explanation. Now I'll write down the cross-sectional view for the NMOS. For the NMOS, we are using P substrate as the body and N plus diffusion for source and drain terminals, and the gate connection, and this is the SiO2 gate oxide. Below this SiO2, the channel has to create in this portion after application of the VGS value. VTH is nothing but the minimum gate voltage required to turn on the device. So there are three conditions. One is cutoff region, second one is linear region, and third one is saturation region. Now I will help you to find the MOSFET is in which condition, the MOSFET is in which region. So first, we need to consider two main voltages. One is VGS value and another one is VDS value. These two are the basic voltages to define all the three regions. If we can say VGS is greater than VTH, then the MOSFET is in on condition. Only when we apply the gate voltage greater than the VTH, then the channel will get formed and the MOSFET is in on condition. So VGS is less than VTH, the MOSFET is in off condition. So VGS define whether the MOSFET is on or off. If we say VGS is greater than VTH, the MOSFET is in on condition, and say whether it is in linear region or the saturation, then this VDS value will define the MOSFET is in whether in a saturation region or in linear region. So basic, the MOSFET is in on or off, we need to check with the VGS value. If the MOSFET is in saturation or in a linear region, we need to check with the VDS value. So first, I will take the cutoff region. Cutoff region. For this, what is the condition? Cutoff region means MOSFET is in off. MOSFET is in off condition. So off means we already know that we need to consider VGS value to check whether the MOSFET is in off or on condition. So VGS is less than VTH, then we can say the MOSFET is in off region. So In cross sectional view, so this is the N plus, this is the N plus, source and drain, this is the gate voltage. So Vg is equal to 0. There is no channel is formed between source and drain, so there is no conduction between the source and drain. This is the ideal one. So MOSFET is in off condition. No current flow means this is in the off condition. So next one, coming to the second one, that is linear region. The MOSFET is in linear or saturation linear means it has to be in on condition. So on condition defined by VGS value. VGS is greater than or equal to VTH, then the MOSFET is in on. And to check whether it is in linear or saturation, we need to consider the VDS value. If VDS value, the drain to source voltage, is less than VGS minus VTH value, the voltage difference between gate to source voltage minus threshold voltage is less than the gate to drain voltage, then we can say that this MOSFET is in linear region. So this is the cross section view for the linear region. N plus, we are applying gate to source voltage that is greater than VTH value, and also we are applying the drain voltage that is VD. If this voltage is less than the VGS minus VTH, if we apply the gate voltage, then channel is formed. If we apply the VD, current will start to conduct from source to drain. But the VD value is less than the VG value, then we can say that the MOSFET is in linear region. Coming to the saturation region. In saturation region, first condition is VGS should be greater than VTH, that is MOSFET should be in on condition. And second condition, VDS should be greater than or equal to VGS minus VTH value. The drain to source voltage should be greater than the difference between the voltages, that is a gate to source voltage minus VTH value. In this region, N plus, the channel is pinch off. This is the gate voltage, and this is the drain, and this is the source terminal. The channel is pinched off. Where VDS is greater than or equal to VGS minus VTH, the MOSFET is in saturation region. So what is pinch off? At voltage VDS is equal to VGS minus VTH, so this portion will get narrow. The channel region at the drain terminal will get narrowing. This narrowing called pinch off. At this particular time it will get cut. So now we'll explain. See, at the cutoff region, source and drain, VGS is equal to 0 and VDS is equal to 0. At the linear region, channel is formed. The red color shows the channel. And at linear region, VGS is greater than VTH, the MOSFET is in on condition and current start to flow from source to drain after the application of VDS value. This VDS value is less than the VGS minus VTH value. In this condition, the MOSFET is acts like a resistor. In this condition, in cutoff region, the MOSFET is acts like a switch. In linear region, MOSFET is acts like a resistor. In saturation, where the VDS value is greater than VGS minus VTH, this is in the saturation region. Here the MOSFET is acts like a constant current source. So at the pinch off point, where the VDS is equal to VGS minus VTH, in this region the MOSFET start to enter from linear region to the saturation region. These are the basic conditions for the MOSFET. So using VDS and VGS value, we can say that whether the MOSFET is in cutoff, linear or saturation region. So Now you can easily find out in which region the MOSFET is in. The MOSFET is in. Thank you.